What's up YouTube, it's time to talk about the next flagship device from Samsung, the Galaxy S11. Coming from Samsung in 2020. Buzz has been building for months now, and Galaxy S11 series and leaks and rumors are only intensifying it as we approach 2020. Today's video will be regarding the leaks and rumors and what we can expect from Samsung in Galaxy S11 series next year. Before jumping into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified for every new video I upload. We know Samsung Galaxy S11 is a mainstream phone and it will be a better and best in terms of build and software. So first thing first, we talk about the display of the device. Earlier this year, reliable leakster Even Blast revealed the S11 and S11 Plus will have a 6.7 inch and a 6.9 inch screen size, while the base variant, the S11e, might have a 6.2 or 6.4 inch display. We might see in Samsung Galaxy S11 a 120Hz refresh rate, because according to One UI 2.0 beta version for Note 9, it supports 120Hz refresh rate, which image has been posted over the XDA developer website, and they are claiming that One UI 2.0 beta has a 120Hz refresh rate button inside it, and Samsung Galaxy S11 might be coming with this refresh rate. Similarly, GSM Arena shared Samsung has filed a patent in Korean intellectual property for a new display named as SAMOLED, which further confirms the presence of 120Hz refresh rate inside the Galaxy S11 series. Ice Universe is also a popular leakster, shared two images and tell us that the final design has been finalized by Samsung, and according to these images, the Samsung Galaxy S11 front will be similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and those which are launched recently, the Samsung Galaxy A51 and Samsung Galaxy A71. If you look at these images very closely, you will notice that we see a curved edges as well as low bezels on top and bottom of the device, which is a nice thing, and if Samsung is doing that, it will be an awesome thing. Next is the back, where we see a great design change, and instead of rectangular shaped camera in Samsung Galaxy S10, now we see a square shaped camera bump on the back side of the device, and according to many people, they are not liking this, but these are renders right now. It's not the official leaking yet, but according to renders and the case leaks, it is pretty much confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy back cover will be in a square shape. On the back side of the device, we might see a quad camera setup on the back side in S11 and S Plus series, and S11e we are not confirmed yet, but that how many cameras will be present in S11e. In terms of many leaks, according to the Ice Universe, the GSM Arena and XDA developer, all the people are claiming that Samsung is going to put the 108 megapixel camera sensor inside their device, and this camera sensor is different from the Mi Note 10, which recently launched by Xiaomi, and 108 megapixel which Samsung is going to put in their device is going to be different. And a few days earlier, Samsung has just released a video over their official page on YouTube, and according to that video, Samsung is using the ISOCELL bright technology inside this sensor, and it further confirms that we might see a 108 megapixel camera sensor inside the Samsung Galaxy S11 series over its Twitter account. And according to that image, it shows the symmetric of the three cameras which are present in Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus series, and according to him, the main camera is of 108 megapixel camera. We might see a 48 megapixel telephoto lens which has an option of 10 times optical zoom and 100 times of hybrid zoom. The last camera is of ultra wide camera. The last sensor is not been confirmed yet. Either it's according to Ice Universe, either it will be a TOF sensor or might see a depth sensor or a macro lens on the back side of Samsung Galaxy S11. One of the main important thing for this camera, it can record 8K videos in 30 frames per second, which is an insane thing, because right now most of the cameras can shoot in 4K 60 FPS. In terms of internals, if we look at the GSM Arena claims that the Samsung is mostly coming with Snapdragon 865 processor, at least in most of the region, and we might see a Samsung Exynos 990 SoC with the 25 watt of fast charging inside the box. Exynos 990 is not up to the mark yet, and it is not been confirmed that whether we see Exynos processor inside the Samsung Galaxy S11, because the Snapdragon 865 processor is way ahead from that processor, and it is possibility that we might see only one processor, which is the Snapdragon 865 in whole regions. S-Leak, which is also a popular leakster over the internet, shared two images for the battery of S11 Plus and S11. And according to those images, S11 Plus will have a massive 5000 mAh of battery coming inside, while the Samsung Galaxy S11 is coming with a 4500 mAh of a battery in it. And if rumors are to be believed, these are two of the most high-end batteries which we are gonna see in these Galaxy S11 series. In terms of software, if we look at it is obvious that Android 10 is the latest and greatest software right now in the market, and we will see Android 10 inside the Galaxy S11 series. The other thing which we are seeing is the skin which Samsung has provided, the Samsung One UI, and we will see Samsung One UI 2.1 support inside the Galaxy S11 flagship. So these are the different rumors which are right now circulating over the internet. So that's Samsung Galaxy S11, which is fully power packed in features. So if you want to keep updated regarding those leaks and rumors, subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.